Now coming to the actual problems on sampling distribution of mean. Here the very first problem is a population consists of 6 elements 5, 10, 14, 18, 13, 24. Here consider all possible samples of size 2 drawn without replacement. Then calculate 4 parameters: mean of the population, standard deviation of the population, the mean of sample distribution of mean, and the standard deviation of sample distribution of mean. Here the population consists of 6 elements. So first one, very first problem, the population mean mu is, the population mean mu is, its formula is 5 plus 10 plus 14 plus 8 plus 13 plus 20, summation of all the elements by its number is 6, that equal to 84 by 6 is equal to 12 is 14. Enough, first bit is over, the mean of the population is 14. Next B, before we going to the standard deviation, first we calculate the variance. The variance of the population is, sigma square is 1 by n, not, this is not the sample size, number of elements in the population, n is represent, sigma equal to 1 to n, xi minus its mean whole square, xi minus mu whole square. So that is equal to 5 minus 14 whole square plus 10 minus 14 whole square plus 14 minus 14 whole square, each element minus its mean whole square, 18 minus 14 whole square plus 13 minus 14 whole square plus 24 minus 14 whole square by number. What about number 6? That is the variance. This value is equal to 214 by 6, that equal to 35.67. That is the variance of the population. Then standard deviation of the population is, standard deviation of the population is, sigma is equal to root over 35.67. That is the standard deviation of the population. First bit is the mean of the population is direct one, summation of all the elements by its number. His answer is 14. Next one, the variance of the population, sigma square is formula 1 by n, sigma xi minus mu whole square, sum of squares of deviations of each element from its mean. Mean is mu, that is 5 minus 14 whole square plus 10 minus 14 whole square, so on 24 minus 14 whole square by number, total number 6, that is equal to 35.67. Standard deviation is sigma root over 35.67. But third and fourth problems are depends on the sampling distribution of mean. So before we go into the third and fourth problems, first we construct the sampling distribution, then we construct the sampling distribution of mean, then calculate third and fourth. What about sampling distribution? It is the distribution of samples. How to distribute the samples? Without replacement. So coming to the sampling distribution. So sampling distribution is, how many elements are there? 6. The elements are 5, 10, 14, 18, 13, 24. So the sampling distribution without replacement. Sampling distribution without replacement. without a replacement. In this one, the possible samples are NCN in without replacement. What about N here? The number of elements in the sample, 6. What about small n? You have to construct the sample size to 6C2. 6C2 means 15 elements. 15 elements. So what are the 15 elements? 6C2, 6 into 5 by 1 into 30 by 2, that is equal to 15. So a sampling distribution is, here repetitions are not allowed. So 5 with 10, 5 with 14, 5 with 18, 5 with 13 and 5 with 24. First. Next, 10 with 14, don't 10 comma 10, 10 with 14. Next, 10 with 18, 10 with 13 and 10 with 24. Next, 14 with 18, 14 with 18, 14 with 13, 14 with 24. Next, 18, 18 with 13, 18 with 24. Last. Next, 13, 13 with 24. 13 with 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is sampling distribution. Once again, don't 5 comma 5. 5 with 10, 5 with 14, 5 with 18, 5 with 13, 5 with 24. After 5, 5 and after 5. 5 comma 10, 5 comma 14, 5 comma 18, 5 comma 13, 5 comma 24. Then 10, after 10, 10 14, 10 18, 10 13, 10 24. Don't go to before. 14 18, 14 13, 14 24. Next, 18 13, 18 24, 13 24. That is the meaning of without replacement. With replacement means 5 5, 5 10, 5 14, 5 18, 5 13, 5 24. Next, along with the 10, 10 5, 10 10, 10 14. 5 5, 5 10, 5 14, 5 18, 5 13, 5 24. 10 5, 10 10, 10 14, 10 18, 10 13, 10 24. That is with replacement. This is without replacement. Then construct the sampling distribution of mean. Next one, sampling distribution of mean. Sampling distribution of mean. Sampling distribution of mean. That is equal to all means of samples. It consists of all means of samples. Here the samples are 5 comma 10. For example, first sample is 5 comma 10. Its mean is 5 comma 10. Summation is 15. Mean is 5 plus 10 by 2. 15 by 2, 7.5. Next, 5 comma 14, 9.5. 19 by 2, 9.5. 5 comma 18, 23 by 2. 11.5. Next, 9. Next, 14.5. 29. Next, 24. 12. Next, 14. Next, 11.5. Next, 17. Next, 16. Next, 13.5. Next, 19. Next, 15.5. Next, 21. Last, 18.5. 1324 means 37. 37 by 2, 18.5. This is sampling distribution of mean. This is sampling distribution. It consists of all samples of size 2. Sampling distribution of mean, it consists of all sample means. In general, sample means are calculated with formula summation of elements in the sample by its number. For example, 5 comma 10. The sample is 5 comma 10. Its mean is 5 plus 10 by 2, 15 by 2, 7.5. Next 5 comma 14. Sum is 19, 19 by 2, 9.5. Like that. So that is sampling distribution of mean. Then construct the third weight. The mean of sampling distribution of mean. The mean of sampling distribution of mean. Mean of sampling distribution of mean is mean of sampling distribution of mean. It is mu x bar denoted by mu x bar. It is 7.5 plus 9.5 plus 11.5 plus 9 so on. Last but one 21 plus 18.5 by its number. Total number 15. Since we have 15 elements in the sampling distribution of mean, its value is equal to 14. That is equal to mu. In any problem, mu is equal to mu x bar or mu x bar is equal to mu. You have to calculate it and verify it. Next D. The variance of sampling distribution of mean. Sampling distribution of mean. Variance of sampling distribution of mean. Sigma square x bar is 1 by n. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n. Xi minus its mean. Sum of squares of deviations from the mean. What is the mean here? Mu x bar by n. This n not represents the sample size. This n represents the number of elements in the sampling distribution of mean, not the size of the sample. So is equal to 1 by 15. Since we have 15 elements, first element 7.5 minus 14. What is 14? Mean. What about second element? 9.5. Its mean minus 14 whole square. Next 11.5 minus 14 whole square. So on. Last but one 21 minus 14 whole square plus 18.5 minus 14 whole square. That is the variance of the population. Sum of squares of each element from its corresponding mean. Then its value is 14.266. Then standard deviation sigma x bar is equal to root over 14.2666. That equal root 14.2666. That is the standard deviation of the sampling distribution of mean. We have four parameters: mean of the population, standard deviation of the population, mean of sampling distribution of mean, standard deviation of sampling distribution of mean. Among the 4 bits, first two are direct. The population mean is summation of all the elements by its number. Similarly, variance direct is direct formula. Sum of squares of means, sum of squares of each element from its mean by its number. Then third and fourth problems based on the sampling distribution. Here sampling distribution without replacement. So the number of possible samples are NCN, that equals 6C2 is equal to 15. Then elements are 5 comma 10, 5 comma 14, 5 18, 5 13, 5 24, 10 14, 10 18, 10 13, 10 24. After 10, 14 and after 4, after 14, 18, 18 after, 13, 13 after, 24 after no elements. So along with the 24, no possibilities. Then construct the sampling distribution of mean, then its mean and variance of the sampling distribution of mean. Now the next problem is a population consists of 5 elements: 3, 6, 9, 15, 20, 27. Consider all possible samples of size 2 which can be drawn with replacement. Previous problem is without replacement, here with replacement. From the population, find again 4 parameters: mean of the population, standard deviation of the population, the mean of sample distribution of mean and the standard deviation of sample distribution of mean. So coming to the first bit, the mean of the population. The mean of the population mean mu equal to 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 15 plus 27 by number 60 by 5, that equal to 12. Then B bit, the variance of the population is sigma square is formula 1 by n, sigma equal to 1 to n, xi minus mu whole square, that equal to 3 minus 12 whole square 1 by 5 into 3 minus 12 whole square plus 6 minus 12 whole square plus 9 minus 12 whole square plus 15 minus 12 whole square plus 27 minus 12 whole square. So sigma square is equal to 360 by 5. Then sigma is equal to root over 360 by 5, that is equal to 8.4853. Mean of the population is a direct one, addition of all the elements by its total number. Variance of the population is a direct formula, 1 by n, sigma equal 1 to n, xi minus mu whole square, 3 minus 12 whole square plus 6 minus 12 whole square plus 9 minus 12 whole square plus 15 minus 12 whole square plus 27 minus 12 whole square by its number, that is equal to 360 by 5. Standard deviation is root of 360 by 5, that is equal to 8.4853. Then before we go into the third and fourth bit, we construct the sampling distribution. Sampling distribution, it is nothing but the collection of samples. From with replacement. Previous one is without replacement, here with replacement. In this one, the number of possible samples are, in with replacement, the number of samples are n power n. What about n? Population size 5 and size is sample size is 2, so 25. It consists of 25 elements. Without replacement, hence n. With replacement, n power n. What about capital N? Population size, that is 5. What about small n? Sample size, that is equal to 5 square is equal to 25. So the number of samples are n power n, that is equal to 25. So this sampling distribution is how to collect the samples. That is 3 repetitions are allowed. 3 6, 3 9, 3 15. 327. 3 and itself. Then after 6 before 6 itself. 6 3, 6 6, 6 9, 6 15, 6 27. Similarly 9 3, 9 6, 9 9, 9 15, 9 27. That is the with replacement. Next with 15 3, 15 6, 15 9, 15 15 and 15 27. Lastly 27 3, 27 6, 27 comma 9, 27 comma 15, 27 comma 27. This is sampling distribution. With 3, with 6, with 9, with 15, with 27. Each one consists of 5 elements. In without, the number of samples are 36, not 33, 36, 39, 315, 327. But with replacement 33, 36, 39, 315, 327. Along with 6, in without 69, not 66, 69, 615, 6, only with replacement 63 also, 66 also, 69, like that. Then sampling distribution of mean. Sampling distribution of mean. Sampling distribution of mean is, it's a collection of all sample means. 3, 3 mean, 3 comma 3, 3 plus 3 by 2, so 3, 3, 4.5, 6, 9, 15. Next 4.5, 6, 4.5, 6, 7.5, 10.5, 16.5. Next 6, 7.5, 9, 12, 8. Next 9, 10.5, 12, 15, 21. Last row 27, 3, 30, 30 by 2, 15. 27, 6, 33, 33 by 2, 11.5, 16.5. Next 27 plus 9, 36 by 2, 18. 27 plus 15, 42, 21. 27, 27, 54, mean 27. That is sampling distribution of mean. All means 3 plus 3, 6 by 2, 6, 3. 3 plus 6, 9, 9 by 2, 4.5. 3 plus 9, 12, 12 by 2, 6. 3 plus 15, 18, 18 by 2, 9. 3 plus 27, 30, 30 by 2, 15, like that. Then see it. The mean of sampling distribution of mean. The mean of sampling distribution of mean. Mean of sampling distribution of mean. Mu x bar is 1 by 25. 25. Since we have 25 elements into 3 plus 4.5 plus 6 plus 9, so on, last but one, 21 plus 27. Summation of all 25 elements by 25, that is equal to 12 is mu. Always with replacement, without replacement, mu x bar equal to, calculate with the help of calculator. Then dbit, the variance of sampling distribution of mean is the variance of sampling distribution of variance, the sampling distribution of mean is, the variance of sampling distribution of mean is sigma square x bar is 1 by 25 into sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi minus its mean mu x bar whole square. Since we have 25 elements, that equal 1 by 25 into first element 3 is mean 12 whole square. Second element 4.5 minus mean 12 whole square. Third element 6 minus 12 whole square. So on. Last but one, 21 minus 12 whole square plus 27 minus 12 whole square. Sum of squares of each element from its corresponding mean divided with its total number. So that is equal to, that is the variance of the population, that is equal to 909 by 25. Therefore, sigma x bar is equal to, what about sigma x bar? Standard deviation of the sampling distribution of mean. Root of 909 by 25, that equals 6.03. So standard deviation is sigma x bar equal to 6.03. Standard deviation of the sampling distribution of mean. Previous problem is without replacement, and this problem is with replacement of size 2. In previous problem also size 2, but different population sizes. Without replacement, the possible outcomes are NCN. With replacement, N power N. How to draw the samples in with replacement and without replacement? Try to remember the procedure. In both the models, AB and B bits are same calculations. CD are also same calculations, but the construction of sampling distribution is different from without replacement and with replacement of size 2. Next class, we discuss the same parameter values of sample size of size 3. Thank you.